Are you trying to lose weight but you're not getting very far? I'm going to share with you 3 different drinks that you can take that will help give you results quickly. And stay with me till the end and I'll share with you which one works the fastest and an extra one you can try that's guaranteed to work. Usually for us women, it's very hard to get rid of that stubborn fat in our stomachs, and that visceral fat just hangs there no matter what you do. So taking these drinks will help to flush it out much faster and give you progress. This first one is probably one of my favorites because it tastes really good. You just need a spoon of ginger. It's best to shred it up really good because this helps to get out all the nutrients into the water. And there have been a lot of studies that show that ginger can enhance your calorie burning and reduce any feelings of hunger. It helps to speed up your metabolism, which helps to burn your fat quicker. Also, bonus with ginger, it helps to lower your cholesterol and balance your blood sugars and blood pressure. So it's really great for your body. To that, we're going to add this cinnamon stick, about a 2-inch piece. And we're just going to bring this to a boil and boil it for a couple of minutes. Cinnamon is excellent to be including with ginger. They help each other to work even more efficiently in your body. Cinnamon reduces the bad effects of eating high-fat foods. It helps to balance your blood sugars and reduce insulin resistance. It speeds up your metabolism as well. I'm just going to let this tea cool a few minutes and add a spoon of honey. Honey also helps to speed up your metabolism and helps you to feel fuller longer and reduce that belly fat. And that's it. You want to drink this drink first thing in the morning. Warm tea is best and you will see the effects. Number 2, if you don't want a hot drink, you're looking for a cold drink, this one will work for you. You'll need to put 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is great for improving your metabolism and preventing fat deposits. So this is great. You do not want any more fat coming in, so this will help keep it out of the system and keep flushing it out, so you don't have to worry about more being put in when you're trying to lose it. And so it also helps you to feel fuller longer. It also helps with lowering your blood pressure and balancing your sugars. And to this, we're going to add a spoon of honey and add a squeeze of lemon, which is about a teaspoon of lemon juice. The lemon juice can help you to feel fuller longer, boost your hydration levels, speed up your metabolism, and help to increase your weight loss. You want to drink this one 30 minutes before every meal. So 1 glass before breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Drink number 3, you will need 1 cup of water, and we're just going to heat this up. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of moringa powder. Moringa helps to promote weight loss. It helps to reduce fat formation, and it helps to break down the fat that you already have. It's great for getting rid of that visceral fat in your tummy. To that, we're going to add a spoon of honey. Moringa powder tastes like a green smoothie, so if you don't like that flavor so much, add the honey. It does make it taste better. Make sure you use the hot water because this helps to incorporate the moringa powder into the water. And you will want to drink this drink first thing in the morning and wait 30 minutes before you eat. Out of all of these drinks, which one is most effective? How I judge that is how long it takes. So the moringa drink would take a little bit longer than the other 2 to actually start working. So if you want more faster results, you may try the vinegar one or the ginger one first. Moringa powder does have a bonus because it is loaded with nutrients. So it's more like taking a super vitamin first thing in the morning. It's excellent for your body. So much health benefits. You can even go and watch my video on the benefits of moringa powder to see for yourself why you might want to try this one. If you want even faster results and you're not happy with one of these 3 drinks, try my turmeric for weight loss. Watch this video. This one is guaranteed effective. All these drinks work really well at helping you to lose weight. So if you're trying to eat healthy and exercising and you're not getting anywhere, try one of these. You will be so happy you did. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.